Hey everybody, this is Mo Trader here, and this is the trade recap from Friday. Last Friday I was sick and I wasn't supposed to be trading, but I took two trades and I actually captured them on screen share because I wasn't streaming and I wasn't in the room. So I took advantage of that and I saved some RAM and I screen captured my trading here. So let's start playing it here, and you can see I'm not sure why it's going that fast. Let's bring it back to normal speed here. So what I was looking at two stocks. The first one was FSLR, and FSLR, if you go back to the chart, you will see it's super extended. It opened red today. You can see this is the prior close. So I'm looking for a trend to form on this stock. So what I see is the first couple of minutes here, it was basing on that 75. So back in my mind is if it breaks that 75, we might get down to the downside. And this is exactly what I was looking at. Now, because I was sick, you will see all the mistakes that I made. And I'm not sure why now it's not even updating. Okay, let's play it back here. So yeah, so look at this chart, which is FSLR here. Let's speed up the action a little bit. You can see it started breaking here, and I immediately take a position. You can see my average is 74.85 thousand shares. Now this is not the good spot to be in. I hit the the bid, and it got me in at 85. Now 85 is not the best position to be in because it just broke the 75. Now my average is 15 cents just from that break of the 75. Plus I have a stop loss of 40. So the average wasn't the greatest. And you can see the next mistake on the next stock that I'm going to be taking, I missized my position. Now you can see FSLR is coming down. Now it's right at my average. Now it's 69 and it's coming down. Now you can see I have an order right there to short KBH. KBH is going to be here instead of UAL. And you can see I have 600 shares short. I'm trying to short 600 shares. And you can see I got executed at 37.9. Now, this is I missized. Now I didn't missize as of I went too big on the stock. I actually missized that I went too small on the stock. And you can see, and you guys know that I usually aim for fixed fixed risk. You can see now I took some profits off of FSLR. Now it's at 52. So we're looking at 50 cents from that break of that 75. And I'm showing KBH, and then I realized, oops, KBH actually is not on my screen. So I go run and put it up there in the chart so you guys can see exactly what's going on. You can see FSLR it's continuing to the downside here. Now I have 500 shares left of FSLR, and I have 600 shares of KBH, and you can see KBH I shorted somewhere here in this candle, average 37.90, so it's literally up here, and it just took a dive down all the way to 60s. So I took half off right away. You guys know I like to lock in profits just in case. You never know what's gonna happen next. So with FSLR actually starts holding that 74, I take some more off. You can see I only have 250 shares left, and I take off some more off of that KBH because it just put in volume started coming in, and it put in that buyer's candle, right? It's telling me there's people buying here. Watch out. So I took some more off. Now I have 150 shares which is off of KBH, which was supposed to be at least 500 shares at this point. Or actually, I wanted 1600, and I only took 600. That just shows you when you're not thinking right, like you're sick, you're having a problem, you're not really getting there. SSNC on the left hand side, I really liked it, but the volume was too low. It was 50,000 shares traded at that point. I'm like, I'm not touching that. And you can see SSNC, it would work perfectly. Now at this point, I have 250 shares short of FSLR, and I have 150 shares short of KBH. SSNC is still coming down. Feels like everything is frozen right now. You can see KBH is putting like a bear flag right here. You can see at this point I add to my KBH trade right there, and my average becomes 71, so it's like right up here. Now FSLR, I tried to add to FSLR, I couldn't get a fill. Now FSLR is still coming down. We're looking at 20 cents under that 74 mark. You can see KBH started holding like a double bottom right there, so I sized down. So I only have 150 shares left after that add. Now you can see FSLR is reclaiming that 74, so I took actually half of what's left, so I only have 125 shares. Now FSLR is actually popping to that VWAP. Now I want to see that VWAP to actually hold. KBH started popping, brought in some volume, so I actually took it off, and that was a good call because you can see how it pops back to the VWAP. This what just happened right now. I took a screenshot on my charts. That's when I posted on Twitter. KBH is rejecting VWAP right there. And FSLR, it's actually popping to my entry, so I put an order right there to finish it up, to close it down, and it just got me in, and I was like out. So 15 minutes in the day, I was up 572 bucks. I actually ended up the day with 622 bucks or so. I got a scalp on a low flow stock. Just because I saw the opportunity, I scalped it, took it, and moved on. It wasn't really a big thing. It actually did not work. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know, and I'll see you later, guys. Take care.